So this video has absolutely nothing to do with the build on this box truck, but I want to talk real quick about something that is often overlooked, and that is having a proper bug out bag on your RV, camper, van, whatever you're staying in, because a lot of times, like, you know, people are staying out in the middle of nowhere and you could get stranded. So I'm going to take you on a little trip back in time and show you a video that me and my buddy Will made back in 2020 when we were not working and bored out of our minds because all that stuff was going on. And then I'll get back to the build. So I hope you all enjoy this. It's quite a ride.
Hi, I'm Seth Reed, and I've got my friend Will Powell here, and we're going to go over a typical bug out bag that, well, should be in every vehicle.
Show us a few things that are in here, Seth.
Alright, first off, we've got a cheap Chinese radio that can be had for about $25. It's got an extended battery pack, it's got an extended antenna that extends out to 4 feet long to extend your range. And Will's going to tell us about a emergency communication plan here.
So you need to connect with all your bug out buddies, find a frequency that all of you can reach, and let that be your emergency frequency. So that way, in an emergency situation, you all know what channel to be talking on.
Simple, right? Next thing, we have a typical knife. This is a Gerber, pretty inexpensive. It's a fixed blade knife. You can use it for fishing, making shelter, chopping firewood, lots of things. You can also use it for
Self-protection.
Well, that's stupid, Will, because why would I let somebody get that close to me? Because I've got a firearm with extra ammunition. Moving on.
Thinking ahead. That's key in a survival situation.
We've got first aid. Typical first aid kit here. We've got,
obvious reasons there.
Yeah. Little stop bleeding powder there.
As you can see, it's Lou Ferrigno approved.
Absolutely.
So if it can stop that monster from bleeding, it'll stop you from bleeding.
That's right. We've got a emergency blanket here.
Stay dry and warm.
Let's see, what else do we have here? We have combat ointment for all your combat needs.
So what this stuff does is it helps your wounds heal. Just rub that on any scratch, cut, any wound, and it'll help you heal a little bit quicker.
Absolutely. We've also got a lighter here. This one happens to be electronic. It doubles as a taser. I'm having a little bit of trouble getting to the bottom of my bag here, and that is why you should stay well organized in a global pandemic. Let's see here. Let's go to the next flap here. Oh, the most important part of survival is water. This is a life straw, and I've actually got 2 of them because 2 is 1 and 1 is none.
Yep, so you can just drink from any water or stream or body of water.
Yep, just stick it right in there and start drinking.
That's essential right there. Everyone needs one of those in their bag.
Absolutely. Moving on, we've got 100 feet of paracord, and this can be used also as a fire starter. Moving on, we've got a little emergency 2-person tent here. Now, me and Will travel a little bit together. He's in my vehicle a lot of times, and one of my biggest fears in life is having to use this with him someday if we're in an emergency situation.
I'll just sleep in the vehicle.
Well, that'll be fine with me. Moving on, we've got a little hygiene kit here with shampoo, razor, you know, keeping up your morale while the world is burning around you. It's definitely a
At least necessity. You can look good while things are going to crap.
Absolutely. Moving on, we've got food. These are issued by FEMA, and yeah, you can get them for about $5 each. moving on, we've got a portable battery bank to charge our radio and other electronic devices. Well, it looks like we're about to the end of the, oh, what else do we got here? Got a flashlight, for obvious reasons. I think, well, we're about empty here. Well, in closing, we've got a little bit of a bonus here. Let me show you these breath mints that I ordered on Amazon. And Will is going to demonstrate how to use them in an emergency situation.
Hey, well, this is actually not a breath mint at all. This is actually our tactical toilet paper. Looks like a breath mint, doesn't it? That's to keep away those toilet paper hoarders, so they have no idea you have that precious commodity they are after. So, in an extreme situation, we're going to need to conserve our water, okay? So I am not going to pour water on this toilet paper mint. I am going to put it in my mouth, and then I'm going to pour the water into my mouth. As the toilet paper is expanding, I can drink the excess water. Saving water is key, guys.
Take it away, Will. Show them how it's done. Looks like he's forming a piece of toilet paper here.
Now I have my toilet paper, and my thirst has been quenched. Now I can go about my business.
Absolutely. All right. Well, I hope that was helpful to you guys. If you have any questions, please leave it in the comment section down below. I hope you have a wonderful day.
Stay safe and be prepared.